Bukit Timar Railway. Tara guys, samahan nyo kami.
Yan po, nagkakagising lang niya po. Babangon lang po siya kasi nga nandito na po kami sa pupuntahan namin.
Mahaba-haba kasi yung biyahe, mga 23 minutes.
Kaya tinulugan niya ako.
Pakale. Ha? Talante, aga ng pakale.
Could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could.
Guys, yung old Bukit Timar Railway. Yan siya.
I could swear that I'm fainting, I think I'm losing my sight, I swear I'm hitting the floor. I could swear that my stomach just sunk a meter, I'll be dead if I take any more. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could. Could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda.
sabi nila
Little Baguio.
Little Baguio. Yan. Yan guys, oh. Doon.
So, doon guys, tara.
Doon kami pupunta doon sa malayo. Tingnan nyo guys yung tanawin namin. Ayan guys, nakapadyaba po kami pareha. Kasi kakagising lang namin. Ayan guys, oh, tingnan nyo mga outfit po namin. Nakapadyama outfit po kami. Pantulog po. Tingnan nyo guys. PM nyo na lang kami sa mga gusto pag-order.
Ayan guys, maraming salamat. Thank you for our sponsor of our
Outfit today, for today. Tingnan nyo guys. Love G po ang tatak ng suot namin. Thank you sa sponsor po namin.
Ayan guys, babalik na kami kasi nahulog yung MRT card niya. So, baka hindi na kami matutuloy sa Little Baguio na sinasabi nila. Yung ang layo-layo na guys nang nilakad namin, pero na-realize niya wala yung MRT card niya. Kaya babalik ulit kami guys dun sa railway. Go. Hindi na namin nahanap guys yung isiling card niya. Kaya uwi na lang kami guys. So, bye-bye po today's video.
Kaya nakakaano lang kasi kakatapos lang tapos nahulog lang pala. Mahuhulog lang pala. Yeah, so
Bye-bye for today's video guys. Bye-bye. Nag-toilet kami guys. Tapos na nag-toilet din yung nasa lubong namin kanina na pinagtanungan namin. Then, binigay niya yung isiling card niya. Kakargahan na lang namin. Tatapapan na lang namin. So, thank you ate. Yung nagbigay ng card. Bababag niya kanina. Kakargahan niya lang guys.
sayang yung $10. So, papalitan ulit ng $10.
Add kun muna, add value muna.
Ito nga, ay oo pala. Okay, ito ko na parang extra natin to dalawa, diba? Kasi parang yun yung extra ko na binili dati, diba? So, thank you sa nagbigay ng card. Nawalan ako ng card pero pinalitan ng nakilala lang namin. So, God is good all the time.